Hi, my name is Matthew Creer. I use they, them pronouns, and in this video I'd like to show you an older instrument of mine that I use to live code my music that I call Perpendiculous. Now, I've gone on to use controllers to interact with my music, but early on, my dear friend and teacher, Bruno Ruviaro, in our lessons, helped me. He actually wrote this very cool instrument for me to help me use my tuning systems and my nested polyrhythms that I like to use. It's actually based in Henry Cowell's work with the Rhythmicon. Kind of an extension of that, really. This thing is kind of like a big kind of a Rhythmicon. That's because if you look at these just intonation ratios right here for the scale, I actually use these as polyrhythms as well. Alright, so the way I actually play this, I'm not going to do it here because I just don't do that much typing these days, but here we go. This actually gives me a score over here in the post window, which will give me guidelines as to what to type. I'm going to turn my ring light off while I'm showing you the code over here. And over here, I'm using basic waveforms, and I have some routines. Okay, I have some routines here that make it possible. Okay, it makes it possible that here's a full, all 6 of my notes. Okay, so for example, I have the square wave right here. Here's my parameters. Okay, I have a sequencer that's going to run all 6 at their respective tempos. So let's go ahead and hear what that sounds like. Okay, and I stopped it at the end of one musical phrase, so you can hear that they all lined up at the end. I'm going to grab this code right here. This is part of the live coding aspect now. Alright, so if I take this here, let me double check on the names of my instruments. Okay, P try, P square, P saw, P sun. Okay, let's go over to P try here. And I'm going to call an array of just degrees 4, 5, and 6. So let's just be 3 notes. Go ahead and stop all of them. And now, you know what, I'll just go ahead and add 2 in here as well. fact, let's make it so that this is only low registers. And let's make these over here high registers. Okay. Okay, and there's another end of that musical phrase, and if you want to hear more of this messy, wild chaos, you can hear this instrument. Oh, here's a fan of this music right here. This is the instrument that I use on my 2018 album, The Wrong Angle. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about this live coding instrument for my music that I call Perpendiculous. It's just intonation, tuned polyrhythms, and big thank you to Bruno Ruviaro, who helped me develop this code. He is just brilliant and fantastic, and thank you so much to you for watching.